Hi guys, this is JB once again. So for today's video, andito ako ngayon sa aming showroom in Uptown Bonifacio. So located siya inside Uptown Mall, so on the ground floor in front of H&M. So if you want to visit our showroom, just send me a message on my contacts below. So by the way guys, introduce ko muna sa inyo yung newest pre-selling condo namin here in Uptown BGC, which is the Uptown Modern. So this will be the tallest residential condo in this area, and it will be ready by June 2031. So going back to our agenda, no, later on ituturo ko kayo sa aming studio model unit with the size of 40 square meter. So tara, check na natin. So this one is our 40 square meter studio model unit here in our showroom, which is located in Uptown Bonifacio. So this would be your main door. So upon delivery, meron ditong digital access. So it can be accessed through four main ways, mainly fingerprints, key card, PIN codes, or even traditional keys. Then on this part, meron tayong space for washer and dryer. So si Mega World provided niya na itong washer and dryer. So it will be included upon turnover. And also, meron siyang high ceiling. So pwede kayong magpalagay dito ng shelves or even cabinets. By the way, all of our units here in Uptown Modern are all smart home equipped, meaning all of our switches and even the appliances can be accessed through phones. Moving forward to our fully furnished kitchen, so Mega World will provide you these appliances upon turnover, such as this built-in microwave oven, this 2-zone induction cooktop with range hood, all from Gorenhey, your sink with retractable faucet, and also these soft close cabinets and drawers. And aside from that, you will be having also this built-in fridge. So, going here to your common toilet and bath, so what you see in this model unit is what you'll be getting, aside from the movable objects. So, you'll be having this mirror, your large sink with faucet, toilet bowl with bidet, your full glass enclosure and complete shower set, and the tiles will be included similar to this one. Going here is your combined space for your living area and the dining area. So, sa dining area, it can fit up to 2 to 4 dining seaters and tables. So here in your living area, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng sofa bed, mini coffee tables, or pwede rin kayo magdagdag ng additional mini chairs. And in your living area, you would be having this split type inverter aircon from Daikin. So it will be delivered upon turnover. And finally, this is your sleeping den or bedroom. So it can fit up to queen to king size bed, and you can pwede rin kayo maglagay actually ng dalawang side tables. And if you want more privacy or exclusivity, you can put or pwede kayo maglagay dito ng movable partition or sliding door partition. And on your bedroom, you would be having this full floor to ceiling glass window to maximize the view from your unit. And we do also have options na merong balcony. And aside from that, you would be having also this built-in cabinet with mirror. So that's it guys for a quick tour dito sa aming model unit here in our showroom. And Uptown Modern offers a no-spot down payment plan, payable up to 6 years with annual lump sum at 0% interest. So to set an appointment, Zoom meeting, or even showroom visit, don't hesitate to message me on my contacts provided below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!